The Internet acts as an enormous accelerator of business processes. Automation technology and industrial communication are undergoing rapid development for Industry 4.0. As a result, you and your customers are facing unprecedented challenges. PROFINET offers you a proven technology for securing and expanding your competitive advantages both today and tomorrow. Modular machine and system designs and flexible production operations with comprehensive diagnostics can be easily realized with PROFINET. Having both real-time communication and standard TCP/IP communication on the same cable is becoming increasingly important. But PROFINET offers you even more. Thanks to profiles such as ProfiDrive, ProfiSafe, and ProfiEnergy, the requirements of your customer can be implemented using devices from any vendor. But what can be done when there is no device for the application? Say your customer needs a fast servo drive with functional safety and energy-saving functions or a special sensor for temperature measurement. How can device manufacturers like you integrate these new functions easily, quickly, and cost-effectively in your controller and devices? With PROFINET, the device design is no problem. A wide range of development packages are available, from pure software solutions for temperature sensors to modular solutions for fast integration, and even FPGA and ASIC solutions for high-performance drives. The integration of a protocol stack gives you the option of making your devices PROFINET capable without hardware changes. This is easily implemented on your target platform. Integration is easy, even if hardware support is needed because your users would like two-port integration or high performance with isochronous mode. PROFINET technology providers offer this in the form of integrated modules such as ASICs or FPGAs, which you can easily integrate in your hardware platform in place of the standard Ethernet controller. If your device needs even more computing performance or if existing hardware is to become communication capable, a system with a host processor is available on which the application and communication have separate processors. This requirement you solve in a simple way with plug-in modules or PC plug-in cards. As a communication interface, the PROFINET ASICs can also be connected to a host via a parallel interface. No matter how you want to integrate PROFINET, PROFIBUS and PROFINET International offers you support in every phase of development through extensive documentation, workshops, and support. Our regional organizations and member companies are located throughout the world. Our specialists help you with technical advice in simple cases, and we can also support you in the development of hardware or software up to complete implementation of the PROFINET interface in your devices. With the standardized general station description, your device can be integrated in any configuration tool. Feel free to contact our specialists for help with this too. PROFINET devices must be certified to guarantee their interoperability for customers. There are test labs located around the world where you can have your devices certified. Through simple integration and worldwide support, device manufacturers like you can integrate the leading and well-proven PROFINET industrial Ethernet technology with the latest features in your devices. This will make you well equipped for the future and the demands of Industry 4.0. PROFINET, the backbone of Industry 4.0.